Hi, Steve Johnson, General Manager from Kut Kwick, and I'd like to talk to you today about the proper fluid levels for the hydraulic system on the MegaSlopeMaster MSM-T4. To prevent an overflow of the fluids in the hydraulic system, it is critical that they are at the proper level when the machine starts. You should see fluid in the lower sight window. During operation, the fluid will expand and rise up in the tank. But if you start out with fluid in the upper sight window, you can end up with an overflow situation. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call or check us out on the web.